Good morning, everyone. Let's explore this 25 million house, which has 4 bedrooms, 2 maids room, seated in a 693 square meters lot area with pool and can accommodate 14 cars sa ilang car garage. So let's explore this and let's take a look at how it looks like inside and outside because this might be the best property for you. So let's go. So unahan sa nato sa gawas no. Here, as you can see, para naalang gid mo'y idea, we parked all our cars here and the cars of our current owners. Dili na nato ipakita ilahang mga basta naa diri somewhere here ang ilahang cars no can accommodate nga kanang with roofing bitaw tulo ka buok, but for the sake of accommodating all of your cars, pag naamay mga visitors during mga events, 14 kabuok cars. So, among all of our listings, kani siya ang pinakadaghan og space for cars. And here is a pool. Nga pwede mo mag-throw og parties here, like pool party or any events. So, right now, wala pa siya water, but if in your future development pwede gid siya diri himuon po nimong events place or an Airbnb which can approximately have at least 10,000 pesos per day kung ingon ani, not bad no. And actually this house has tambayanan sa taas and naapod siya mini basketball court here. So yun. So let's explore what's inside of this house so that mas ma-appreciate ninyo how it looks like and how it was built for a couple of times by the recent owners. So when we enter the house, we will have a view of the living area, which is here. Fully furnished ba ni siya, te? Yes. And then fully furnished na siya i-sell out. So everything that you can see here in the house will be included. So, di ba, mga hardwood, ba ilang ginagamit o nga dividers, ilang door, and whatnot. So here, napa siya space. I think you can use this as your home office. Pwede. Pwede po mo siya yung mini home gym or workout. Dili ang dining area. Yeah, might be, but it can also be the kitchen. So, here sa gawas, gihimo nila og service area or laundry area since na diri ang mga washing machine and whatnot. But in your case, pwede nimo na siya gamiton jud as diba, dirty kitchen pod as well. Diba? Well, develop ang tanan areas. And then, going here is our first bedroom among the first comfort room, toilet and bath among the five kabuok, grabe kadaghan. See? Nice. And then for our first bedroom, out of the 4 official bedrooms, is this one. Sorry. Ano siya? Ano tao? Sorry guys. And here, oh, okay, amazing. So kung to space sige dito siya. So ako na to suggestion ganina. Nagid po dahil sila official nga dining area which has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 or 12 seater nga dining table. And then naa sila very cozy nga open kitchen with countertop. And kani bitaw nga refrigerator ka idol gid kay na pa ni mga double door. Nga nindot kay siya pagka-establish kay fit in gyud exactly the design of your ref. So gani is the access to the dirty kitchen nga akong giingon a while ago, and naa sila yung mga toilet and bath, and kanadiri ang duha ka maids room. Okay, na duha ka maids room dira. So upstairs, so we can take a peek of the official bedrooms. Lagi yung mga official na nasa lang. Mura siya showcase area, no? But pwede po ninyo siya butangan o dami mga awards. If mga achievers mo, pwede din yung mga trophies and whatnot. If you have collections, toy collections here, pwede po ninyo yung mga shoes, bags, whatnot. And here, ang toilet and bath na common for everyone. Oh, okay. So another bedroom here, which you can actually use this as your nursery room for your newborn kid, and nasa your own toilet and bath as well. Ang napansin ako ano yung house, majority of the wood that they use is mga hardwood good siya, no? Here, another bedroom. I think if I'm not mistaken, most of the rooms nasa may sarili nilang toilet and bath. And kani siya na siya ay playroom. Tada! Cute. Nice. So, areas for development there. And here is another bedroom as well. This is quite small compared to other bedrooms, pero pwede siya sa mga for yung teenage nga mga anak or guest room and whatsoever. I think that's all about this house, guys. So if you're interested, just send me a message today. I'm Cyrus, a sales manager of DK Realty Philippines. Thank you for watching. Bye!